Let us learn about one more means of transport, that is water transport. Means of transport that sail on water are known as means of water transport. Boats and ships are means of water transport. Ships are very big boats with many rooms on it. Ships are used by people to cover long distance, such as moving from one country to another. Ships also help in carrying goods from one country to another. Ships can move only in big water bodies like seas and oceans. Nowadays, we have very luxurious ships called cruise. Boats are used to cover short distance and can carry a few people. See, children, water transport means that transport that sail on water are known as means of water transport. That boats and ships are the example for the water transport. Ships are very big boats with many rooms on it. In ships, that many rooms will be there, and ships are used by the people to cover long distance. It is useful to cover the long distance. It moves from one country to another country. Ships also help in carrying goods from one country to another. Ships can move only in big water bodies like seas and oceans. Nowadays, no, we have very luxurious ships. That name of the ship is cruise. Okay, boats are also used to cover short distance. Boats can be used to cover only for short distance and can carry very few people. Next, let us learn about the air transport. Means of transport that fly in the air are known as means of air transport. An aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. It can carry a large number of people from one city to another city or a country to another. It also carries letter and goods. Helicopter can carry a few people. It is used to take food and medicine to soldiers or people hit by natural disasters like earthquake, tsunami, or a flood. If we want to reach the moon, we can travel in a spaceship. It is driven by a rocket. See, children, next means of transport is air transport. Air transport means a means of transport that fly in the air are called as means of air transport. An aeroplane is the fastest means of transport. You all know that aeroplane is the fastest means of transport, and aeroplane, no, it carry a large number of people from one city to another city and from one country to another country. It also carries letters and goods also. Next one, this air transport is helicopter. But helicopter can carry a few people, and it is used. Helicopter is used to take food and medicines for the soldiers and those people hit by the natural disasters like earthquake and tsunami and flood. Okay, if we want to reach the moon means we can travel by spaceship. If we want to reach moon means people can use that spaceship. Okay, it is driven by a rocket. Next, animals as a means of transport. Animals are also used as a means of transport in some places. Camels are used in desert areas. Camels can move easily on sand. It is called ship of the desert. Ponies and mules are used in hilly areas to carry people and loads from one place to another. Bullocks and horses are used to pull carts. Elephants are used in forests to carry heavy logs of wood. In the polar region, husky dogs and reindeers are also used to draw sledges. See, children, other than these means of transport, animals also one of the means of transport. In some areas, no, means camels are used in desert areas to carry to move from one place to another. Okay, it is called as that camels are called as a ship of the desert. Ponies and mules, no, they are used in hilly areas to carry people and loads from one place to another. Bullocks and horse, no, they are used to pull carts. And elephants, no, they use it in the forest to carry heavy wooden logs. Okay, in the polar region, no, they use husky dogs and reindeers to draw the sledges. You know about the sledges. You can see the that husky dogs are pulling the sledge picture. Okay, here in this picture you can see the husky dogs, they are pulling the sledge. Okay, in this chapter you learned about the types of transport, that is land transport, water transport and air transport. Hope you all understood this chapter. Thank you.